creating music in Haitian Creole language compa. Pure Haitian Creole with no accent. Use black male voice singing a song about the history of Haiti. Then the Haitian Prime Minister forgets about the past history and leave the people in misery.
Where there's no jobs, no factories, no security. People are starving, no housing, no hospital, no clean water. Don't you have shame that the entire country's tired and said enough is enough? Add to the song.
Take an example of the young Ariana.